Okay, let's make a quick video here. So I printed this from 3D Printy. Has this cool dice tower here. Has magnets here. I guess you're supposed to open it like this, so pop that down and then you roll it out like so, and you slide this back gently, like so. And this is a dice tower. Go in there and roll a 5. Or 10. So yeah, pretty cool. And then you just flip this, has magnets in there, and then you just put this back on, like so, and roll it up. And it locks up with the magnets. You heard the snap. That's pretty cool. It's very solid. I mean, I have the trays in here are loose trays, so yeah, there'd be a lot of shaking around and all that, but hey, it's dice. So, and the tray. Everything can be found on printables. You can find him on Thangs. It's 3D Printy. It looks like he has all of his files on printables. So, that is cool. Thank you.